Welcome back. Let's continue with our preparation of Platform Developer 1 certification exam with some practice question. So let's start. So the question number 1 is on your screen now. Try to guess the correct answer of this question. Also, if you want access to the slides, then please let me know in the comment box below. Also, if you want me to create a quiz related to Platform Developer 1 exam or admin exam, then let me know in the comment box below. So let's see what is the correct option of this question. So the correct answer is option C. Use dot notation to traverse relationships. Let's move to the second question. Here it is asking what is the purpose of group by clause in SOQL query. Try to find the answer of this question. Let's see what is the correct answer of this question. And the correct answer is option C. Group records based on a specified field and perform aggregate functions. Let's move to the next question. It is asking when is dynamic SOQL in Apex preferable over static SOQL. So if you have understand the difference between both of them, then you will be able to find the correct answer. Try to find the correct answer of this question, then I will show you the correct option. Let's see what is the correct answer. And option B, when the query needs to be constructed at runtime based on user input or condition, is the correct answer of question number 3. Let's move to the next question. Now, if you have used try catch block, then you will be able to find the correct answer. Let's see what is the correct answer. So the correct answer is option C. The catch block is executed, allowing for error handling. Let's move to the next one. Now, if you have dig deep into process builder, then you will be able to find the answer of this question. It is directly related to process builder. It is asking what is the purpose of immediate action and scheduled actions. Let's see what is the correct answer. So the correct answer is option A. Immediate actions execute immediately, while scheduled actions allow you to schedule action for future execution. Let's move to the next one. I hope you are able to find the correct answer. Now it is asking about the purpose of constant in Apex. If you have created constant in Apex programming language, then you will be able to find the correct answer in a second. Let's see what is the correct answer of this question. And the correct answer is option C, to define values that remain constant and do not change during the execution of the code. Let's move to the next question. Try to find the answer of this question. And it is asking about the purpose of the limit clause in SOQL query. So if you have written the SQL query using limit clause in it, then you will be easily find the answer. Let's see what is the correct answer of this question. And the correct answer is option A. It specifies the maximum number of records to be retrieved. Let's move to the next question. Now it is asking about the purpose of finally block in a try-catch finally structure in Apex. Again, if you have experience with Apex programming language or any programming language, then you will be easily able to find the answer of this question. Try to find the answer, then I will tell you the correct answer. Let's see what is the correct answer. And it is option B. It ensures that specific code is executed regardless of whether an exception is thrown or not. Let's move to the next one. Here it is asking about database.insert method in Apex for DML operation. When should we use them? Let's see what is the correct answer. And it is option D, when you need to handle errors and obtain result for each record. Let's move to the next question. This is one of the easiest question in this slide. If you have heard the term schema builder, then you will be able to find the answer. This question has nothing to do with this multi-tenant Salesforce environment. It is placed here just for confusing you. Let's see what is the correct answer. And it is option B. It provides a visual representation of the database schema for the organization. That's it in this video. We will solve some more practice question in the future video. Please like the video, comment the topic which you want me to cover in the next video, share the videos with someone who is preparing for Platform Developer 1 exam, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.